Meaning of George Romney.
George Romney.
George Romney.
George Romney.
George Romney. George Romney can refer to different people. The most well-known is probably George W. Romney, 1907 to 1995, an American businessman and politician who served as the governor of Michigan and later ran for president of the United States. He was also the father of former Massachusetts governor and presidential candidate Mitt Romney. Another notable George Romney was an 18th-century English portrait painter. The meaning of George Romney therefore depends on the context, but it generally refers to one of these individuals.